Now, if your doctor just told you that you have fatty liver and high cholesterol, I know you're scared. And I know you're probably searching online right now trying to figure out what to do. You're seeing ads for supplements, detox cleanses, quick hacks that promise to fix your liver in 7 days. And maybe you're thinking, should I try that? Is there something that I can take? What if this gets worse? Well, here's what I need you to know. This is serious, but it's also fixable. And today I'm going to show you exactly what the science says actually works. There's no quick hacks, there's no magic supplements. It's just a real approach that can actually save your liver and possibly your life. Now, if we haven't met yet, I'm Dr. Anna. I'm a medical doctor and I've helped thousands of adults lose weight and improve their health using very simple and sustainable approaches, both in my clinical practice and here online. And in my years working in the hospital, I've also seen what happens when fatty liver goes untreated for too long and very, very wrong. Now, unfortunately, some of these patients end up in the worst situations, in the intensive care unit or the ICU. Some of them deal with all of their organs shutting down, and some of them just don't make it. So yeah, this is a serious topic, but there's good news here. The good news is that you found this video and you're here because you actually want to do something about your liver. And that means you're way ahead of most folks. So let's fix this together. The first thing I want to address is this. We have a serious problem with quick hacks. You're probably being sold a lot of solutions right now. When you look online for solutions to fatty liver, you're going to see tons of liver detox supplements, milk thistle pills, apple cider vinegar cleanses, special teas, expensive powders. And here's what the companies selling these things want you to believe. If you just take the supplement, your liver's going to be just fine. But here's the actual truth. Your liver doesn't need a detox. Your liver is the detox organ. It is designed to cleanse your blood, process nutrients and drugs, and remove the toxins for the rest of your body. The problem isn't that your liver needs help detoxing. The problem is that your liver is overwhelmed and it can't do the detox job. It is storing too much fat. That's where the name fatty liver comes from. And thus, it is very inflamed and it's struggling to do its job. Now, a pill or a cleanse is not just going to magically fix all of that. What your liver needs is for you to change what you're putting into your body every single day. Not just for 7 days, not just for 30 days, for good. And here's the dangerous part about the quick hacks. They make you think that doing that means you're doing something for your liver. But meanwhile, the real problem will keep getting worse. So let me show you what actually works and what the science and all the medical research actually supports. Here's what research tells us. There has been one dietary approach that has been shown over and over again to actually improve fatty liver and lower blood cholesterol. It is not keto, it is not low fat, and it's not a cleanse. It's called the Mediterranean diet. Now, study after study shows us that the Mediterranean diet will reduce liver fat. It will help lower cholesterol. It will reduce inflammation. It will improve something called insulin sensitivity, which is one of the chemical mechanisms happening in the body when you have fatty liver. And it also can help us lose weight, which is one of the most important things you can do for your fatty liver disease. And for those interested in reading more of the science, I have tons of links below this video to research articles, guidelines, and helpful websites that talk about the med diet for fatty liver. I do not want to bore you in this video. We're not going to dig into all the nitty-gritty. It is there for you for your personal reading. Instead, I just want to dive into why this works. Because the Mediterranean diet focuses on something crucial for liver health, and that is whole foods. Real vegetables, real fruits, healthy fats, things like olive oil, sesame oil, walnut oil, avocado oil, lean, healthy proteins, things like beans, legumes, chicken, fish, eggs, and then whole grains, which contain tons of nutrients and fiber and lots of anti-inflammatory properties. Now, all of these foods in combination give our body so many nutrients, and it gives your liver exactly what it needs to heal and to turn that fatty liver process around. Not with these crazy quick fixes, but with real food. I know this sounds really obvious, but believe me, it's probably the thing that you're not totally doing, and most folks struggle with this. But luckily for you, this is my area of expertise. What I teach over and over again is the Mediterranean diet. This is what I help people do every single day, both in my clinical practice as a medical doctor and right here online on my YouTube channel. I have tons of videos on this channel that break down exactly how to eat Mediterranean. But before we get into that, I want to give you the full picture. Real quick, if you want the complete system for reversing fatty liver and lowering cholesterol using the #1 science-backed method, which is the Mediterranean approach, I teach this step-by-step in my free Mediterranean weight loss and health webinar. I walk you through exactly what you need to eat, how to make it simple and sustainable, and how to lose weight in a way that will support your liver disease. You can register by clicking the link below this video in the description. Or if you're watching this right now from a TV, go ahead and grab your phone, open up the camera app, and scan this QR code on the screen. It will pop the registration link right up into your phone. Now, let me show you the other 2 things you really need to know. To support fatty liver and liver disease in general, and a lot of other health conditions, eating right is a crucial main step. It's not the only thing. Step number 2 of reversing your fatty liver is to get moving. The second thing you need to do is just move your body. And I'm not talking about intense bursts of exercise and crazy workout classes. I'm not talking about running marathons. I'm actually just talking about simple, consistent daily movement that you incorporate into your life. So if you're an absolute beginner, this will look like walking, doing light exercise like chair exercises, anything that gets your body moving. Because here's why this matters. When you move, your body starts to burn energy. And energy burning is essential for fat burning. And one of the first places it will burn fat from can be your liver. Now, even small amounts of movement can make a huge difference. For example, a 20-minute walk after dinner, or taking the stairs, or parking at the end of the parking lot and walking into the store to get more steps in, stretching in the morning. All of it helps. And when you combine daily movement with eating Mediterranean, well, that is when you're going to start to see real change. Your liver can start to heal. Your cholesterol will start to drop. Your weight will start to come down. All of this stuff works together to help your liver get healthier. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to start, and you need to be consistent. Now, that is a really big part of it, but it wouldn't be a complete approach if we didn't talk about step number 3, which is probably the one you're most familiar with. And this is, of course, to limit or even avoid alcohol entirely. This third thing is really hard for some people. Now, I understand alcohol is a big part of celebration in people's lives, and I'm not here to be the police, but I am here to tell you what the science actually says. And what we know is that having alcohol is going to affect our liver in a negative way. If you already have liver disease, this can be actually devastating. So you have to talk to your doctor about exactly where you're at. But what you need to understand is that if you have fatty liver, your liver is already struggling. It's storing too much fat, it's inflamed, and it is working overtime. And of course, alcohol makes all of that worse. Even small amounts of alcohol can put extra stress on your liver. So if you're really serious about reversing fatty liver and you do not want this to be part of your future, and you don't want to end up with a really bad health consequence down the road, your liver needs a break. That might mean cutting out alcohol completely for a while, if that's you. It might mean just limiting it to very rare occasions. But right now, your liver needs your support. And giving it a break from alcohol is just one of the most powerful things you can do. I would not be giving you the honest answer if I didn't address this point. Now let's talk about why this is actually so serious, because I do not want to waste your time and I want to be very clear with you. I've worked in hospitals for some years. I've seen some really bad cases of patients with very advanced liver disease. As I mentioned in the beginning, some of them end up in the ICU or the intensive care unit. Then some folks are in the hospital waiting for a liver transplant, and some of them just don't make it. Plus, there aren't that many transplants available to go around. We have a shortage of them. These are some of the sickest patients we see in the entire healthcare system, the ones with liver disease gone wrong. And here's the thing. A lot of those people didn't think it was that serious at first when their doctor told them, hey, there's something with your liver, we got to talk about it. Some of them had fatty liver as their diagnosis, or they had high cholesterol, or both, and they didn't change anything, or they didn't know there was anything they could do about it, which is tragic. Over time, things got worse for them. And I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you this because I want you to understand this is not something that you can ignore, but it is something you can actually fix The truth is, not every health problem that arises is something we can actually do something about, but fatty liver is one of the things we can. So if you act now, you could literally save your health. Now, that is exactly why I provide this Mediterranean weight loss webinar for absolutely no cost at all. I want to help as many people as possible eat in a way that reverses fatty liver, lower cholesterol naturally, and learn how to lose weight without feeling deprived. Again, if you're ready to dive into that, register at the link below this video in the description or the QR code over here on screen if you're watching it from a TV. Now, let me tell you what happens when you actually do this well. Because when you follow the Mediterranean diet, you start moving your body, maybe you're limiting or avoiding alcohol. Here's what can happen. Your liver can start to heal. The fat in your liver can start to decrease. Your cholesterol can come down. Your inflammation is going to go down and your energy can bounce back. And your doctor will see this in your labs. I see this all the time with folks I work with. They come back after a few months and they tell me, Dr. Anna, it's crazy. My liver enzymes or my liver markers are almost normal or even normalized. Or my cholesterol dropped 40 points. Or I got off one of my blood pressure medications. Or I lost 30 pounds and I feel like a completely new person. This is possible for you, but you actually have to do the simple things that are going to give you the results, not the quick, expensive hacks or the supplements, no shortcuts, the real change that makes a difference. So if you're watching this right now and you're still really scared, I want you to know you have time. This is reversible, but you need to start right now, not next week, not after the holidays, not after vacation, right now, because your liver is asking for help. And you have the power to give it what it actually desperately needs. Real food, movement, a break from all the things hurting it. That's it. It's not crazy complicated, but it does require your commitment. So here's what I want you to do right now. If this video gave you clarity on what to do next, send it to 3 people that you know maybe are dealing with a liver issue or have high cholesterol or are just scared of having this happen to them one day. It could be a friend, a family member, someone who needs to see this. And again, if you want my full step-by-step Mediterranean weight loss system, you should register at the link in the description below this video for my free webinar. I do it for free on purpose because I want to help each and every one of you. The link is below or the QR code is over here on the screen. Now I have a whole playlist on this channel that shows you exactly how to start eating Mediterranean, especially if you're an absolute beginner. And I'm going to link that for you over here right now on the screen. Jump into those videos next and I'll see you in there.